Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hair Lounge. My name's Angelina and I'm a licensed stylist. Today we're going to talk about staticky hair, why it happens, things you can do to prevent it, and how to combat it whenever it hits you at the wrong times. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. If you enjoy learning about hair, click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for all my new videos. First, let's talk about why your hair is getting staticky. Majority of the time, you will see your hair getting staticky more often in the winter months. It can still happen in the summer, but majority of the time it's in the winter. That is because you have that heat furnace blasting. It's removing all of that moisture in the air, and so your hair is getting staticky. You're wearing sweaters, you have scarves on, and that just causes your hair to get out to here. Like I said, it can still happen in the summer. Your air conditioning's blasting, you're not running a humidifier in your house, and so you can still get staticky hair. In the summer, in the spring, any season, doesn't matter. Static will attack. Now the question is, Angelina, what are the things that I can do to prevent this from happening? Go to this link and watch my deep conditioning treatment, and that'll help you learn how to do a deep conditioning treatment on your hair weekly. You can do this in the summer months, you can do it in the winter months. This will put moisture back into those ends. Your ends are drier, they've been on your hair longer, and so that will automatically lack moisture, then causing those staticky ends. If you've noticed that your ends or your hair has been getting staticky more often, you may need to incorporate a leave-in treatment along with your shampoo and normal conditioning routine. Again, I have a tutorial right here that you can watch of how to properly shampoo and condition your hair. So feel free to go watch that video after you watch this one. So you may be doing your normal routine, shampoo, condition, and that's just not enough. So you need to use a leave-in conditioning treatment. This is something you will use after you shampoo and conditioner. Your hair is damp, and then you're going to be spraying this on your ends. This one it's a 10. It's their Silk Express line. Don't forget, I'll link everything down below. That way you have quick and easy access to all of the products I'm showing you today. Another product that you can use to help prevent those staticky kind of dry ends is also it's a 10. This is their Miracle Whip Styling Cream. This also is going to smooth your ends, it hydrates, it prevents breakage, it'll smooth the frizz, it'll help you dry your hair faster. It improves the elasticity of your hair. This is something that you're gonna put in also when it's wet and then dry your hair. Now we're in an emergency situation. We're out and about, we're shopping, we're out with our girlfriends, our husbands, and your hair is clinging to everything. It's clinging to your face, it's on the back of your neck, and you wanna prevent that while you're out and about. Here's a few things that you can use to help tame that static. One of them is a bounce dryer sheet. Yes, it sounds funny, but this helps your clothes reduce static. It'll also help your hair. They do actually have these type of dryer sheets for your hair. It's kind of an anti-frizz sheet for your hair that's specifically for your hair, but a bounce dryer sheet works just the same. Okay, you don't have one of those in your purse, but you have lotion. That is something you can also use to help tame your frizz. Just like it's moisturizing your hands, it can moisturize your ends. I wouldn't suggest using a ton. You're gonna wanna just put it on your ends. I'll show you that right now. Don't mind my wild hair. Tiny, tiny bit on my hands. Rub it in. Don't let it absorb into your hands before you put it onto your hair, but get to where it's still a little bit wet feeling, and then just run it through those ends. And that will tame all of that frizz. Okay, now you don't have any of that in your purse. All you have is water. Go into the bathroom, get a tiny bit on your hands, just a little bit. Same thing, put it all over your hands, run it through those ends. Be careful if you do have a little bit of natural curl to your hair. If you use too much and say your hair is flat iron, it will make that curl come back, so try to be very, very careful. Hopefully these are some good tips and tricks you can use on your hair when you're in a pinch and your hair is staticky. Don't forget, it all starts with your at-home care. Make sure you are properly conditioning your hair. If that's not working, incorporate a deep conditioning treatment. If that's still not enough, use your leave-in treatments. Thanks for watching today, and if you have any tips and tricks that you know how to remove static from your hair, please leave a comment down below and help the Hair Lounge community out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.